This just was something, and this Taylor's outfit. Anyway, welcome to my channel. This is my first full video. Please like, subscribe. I love to have you. Anyway, so first I started to recreate multiple outfits and videos or pictures of your faves. So this first one was starting with Tyla with this fashion week outfit. Tyla and Andrea Lima. So yeah, I felt like they both look stunning. I made a short about it. If you have not seen it, check it out. Anyway, so yeah, I started to make my hair to look similar to Tyler's. I would have done Andrea Lima, but my hair was full, so yeah, just felt like. Anyway, yeah, so I could have sewn these things, but I just didn't want to. I just wanted to tie everything because this video was for fun. Disclaimer: this video was for fun. I was just. It wasn't that serious, so please don't write something in the comments about why did you do this. It was for fun. So yeah, I was just trying to like tie everything. I feel like the video in itself is explanatory, but yeah, I was just trying to tie everything to have the opening on the sides. So yeah, also I was going to say, like, if you make any recreation of any, okay, yeah, before then, so yeah, this was it. This was the finished thing. This was the finished look. I was dancing push to start dance. So when I was done, I started to tie it like this. In my head, this was cute, but I don't know, it looks like DIY, but it looks cute in my head. So next was this Dua Lipa's outfit for Fashion Week as well. So yeah, so she first started with the hair. She had her hair in a ponytail and then tied it to the black ribbon. So I decided to use this tie it, and this time part took me a while because it wasn't showing in the camera. I was blending with my hair, so I had to keep tying it. Anyway, like I was going to say, yeah, if you make a recreation of anybody's outfit or maybe your favorite cartoon or anything, just send it to my email address. I'm going to put that down below. I'm going to repost it before any full content. And if you recreate something I make here, just send it to my email. I'll post it. You can also make video requests for my short and my long form content. I want to start doing more long form content, and I would try to make the video, or at least add it to a video that I want to do. I tried to do that. Anyway, yeah, so I tried to redo it. I don't know. She had like a lot of jewelry in her waist, and for some reason I couldn't find many of my gold jewelry. So I don't know, I just felt I looked like a Batman because of the cape. I don't know how I did, but I felt like I looked like Batman. So yeah, the third was this cartoon. This cartoon is called, I'm trying to write the name of the cartoon, but yeah, I watched it maybe like a year or two ago. I can't remember. But yeah, I saw a TikTok of it and I was like, oh, let me create the outfit. And also I like to do this even when I'm like, I just like to do it for fun. Like when I'm going somewhere, I could just pick out a cartoon of someone with a particular hairstyle and use my dread / braids to just recreate the exact same hairstyle. It's always, I don't know, I just like to do it. I don't know if that's weird, but it doesn't matter the hairstyle, I'll try to, if I like it. So yeah, look at the pictures I was able to recreate of this. And it also helps in case you want to take pictures and you don't like to make your pictures the same way. You can just recreate pictures and still take normal way you take for fun. Then next was this cartoon. I thought she looked so cute and I liked the pose. I don't know, I just like, you know what, let me try it. Even if it's bad, this video, like I said, is for fun. It's nothing serious. Yeah, so these are the videos, the pictures. I don't know. In my mind I thought I knew the pose, but I think like I could have moved my shoulder a little bit forward. Then this was the next one. This is the, I think, 4th or 5th. I'll number it though, but I think that was the 4th or 5th. Anyway, so yeah, I had to make all these hairstyles work with my dread, so it was a task. I can say that for sure. But yeah, this video was actually very fun to make. Please send me video requests. I'd like to make video requests. I'd like to do videos that you request me to do. And if it's something that I feel like I'd like to merge, I could merge 2 or 3 together to make whatever you ask. Someone asked me to make something on my short. I saw a bit late. Now I'm asking her to make another request. Please send to my email, or you can send to my latest post. Whenever I post, I try to post my shorts almost every day. So just try to like comment on my latest post what you think I should make, because sometimes it can be hard to find what's trending online. So yeah, this is how I did that particular one. This one was the last one. Yeah, this Taylor Swift. This was the hardest to do when it comes to my hair, because I don't know why I just felt I was looking a bit crazy. And to everybody that watched my video, thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful. I'm always very happy whenever I see comment. I'm like, oh, thank you so much. Many times I try to like it, I try to comment back. Sometimes I really don't know what to say, and I feel like if I say something, it can be used against me. So I just like the comment. But yeah, so this was the outfit. I feel like I tried in this one, but my hair looked crazy. Anyway, thank you. Like and subscribe. I love you. See you next time.